Welcome to 29 Barclay Court, where low-maintenance living meets timeless style in the highly sought-after Oxford of Bluebell community. Nestled within Wissahickon School District, this beautifully maintained townhome offers the perfect blend of comfort, convenience, and modern living. Step inside to discover an inviting floor plan designed for both everyday living and effortless entertaining. The spacious living and dining areas flow seamlessly, creating a warm and welcoming atmosphere, while the well-appointed kitchen offers ample cabinetry, generous counter space, and room to gather with family and friends. Large windows and sliding glass doors fill the home with natural light and lead to a private outdoor patio, perfect for enjoying your morning coffee or relaxing after a long day. Upstairs, the generous primary suite provides a peaceful retreat with abundant closet space and an ensuite bath, while additional bedrooms offer flexibility for guests, a home office, or growing families. Thoughtful design, ample storage, and low-maintenance living make this home as practical as it is inviting. Residents of Oxford of Bluebell enjoy exceptional community amenities, including a swimming pool, tennis courts, walking paths, and beautifully maintained grounds. Ideally located just minutes from routes 202, 73, 476, the Pennsylvania Turnpike, shopping, dining, and parks, this home offers easy access to everything Bluebell has to offer while providing a peaceful place to call home. Whether you're looking for your first home, downsizing, or seeking a carefree lifestyle in one of Montgomery County